So it's my first proper Hungry Gap harvest of the year, and I always like to sort of just show the Hungry Gap who's boss. And we've got a bit more up here. I'll just quickly take you through what we've got. So basically all those are spinach, and there's a lot of bed clearance going on, so probably this will be the biggest harvest of spring probably, but it'll still be pretty much the same as this all the way through spring. Still a pretty nice table. So we've got the last of, well, the penultimate, I think, actually, harvest of the potatoes from last year. And new season potatoes are ready, but I'm just not harvesting them yet because I want to get through these. So might harvest some next week. Last of the carrots. And I think my new season carrots are ready as well, but I'll probably leave those another week because I've got plenty of carrots there. And last of the celeriac, last of the garlic and the elephant garlic, but of course we're just starting now with the asparagus, which is looking pretty good. Last of the shallots, last of the white onions. Look at that. Actually, these have kept really well this year, so these are the tough ball, and yeah, it's kind of incredible. Normally they only last until about the end of the year, and we've got loads and loads of red onions still. So first of the beetroot leaves, I just picked a sample of the beetroot leaves there because we've got quite a nice selection there, and we're going to be eating those instead of chard for a little while. We've got loads of crown prince squash still, and I'm pretty confident now that we'll have courgettes by the time we run out of the crown prince squash. And because we've run out of garlic, we're now picking the green garlic. So absolutely love the green garlic. I think what we find is that the true garlic just starts to desiccate at about this time of year. The quality is not so good. We could freeze it, of course, but we don't generally do that because we've got beautiful green garlic, which is just immature garlic. And of course you get to eat the whole of the plant, which is lovely. Loads and loads. So these are all collet leaves, and leeks here. We've got a lot of leeks left, and once we actually start finishing with the leeks, we start picking the elephant garlic stems. So we just sacrifice a few of the elephant garlic to pick the whole plant, and we've got loads and loads of elephant garlic, so we don't mind doing that. And oh yeah, so last year, late September, I decided to run some trials on Savoy cabbage. So you can see these have gone to seed, which is, I knew they would, at that time of year, but they've given a really beautiful harvest of leaves. And so we're picking all of those leaves now, and I've got two or three more successions of Savoy to see which ones overwinter best and which ones don't go to seed. So yeah, I'm really enjoying these cabbage trials that I'm doing at the moment. And we've got loads and loads of beautiful Tuscan kales and lovely cauliflowers and calabrese and purple sprouting broccoli. Yeah, stacks of that, and that should carry on for a few weeks. And what else have we got? Oh yeah, so the lovely spinach, more spinach, double-decker spinach there. I just picked a few pea shoots to go in some of the salads. I prefer actually just picking the pea shoots on the day and adding them to the salads. They don't keep quite so well. And field bean tips, basically same as broad bean tips. Some of the tatsoi for cooking. And I've got somewhere tatsoi for the salads, yeah, that's there. And beautiful Asian greens for the salad mixes. And some wild rocket for the salads. And salad onion tops, scallion tops, whatever you want to call them. And the actual salad onions themselves. And I think everything else is the actual salad basis. So these are pretty much all lettuces, although there's some kind of endive type of lettuce as well. I think we've got about 10 different types of lettuce in here, and I'm going to add to those lettuce tatsoi, red pak choi, komatsuma, salad onions, wild rocket, salad onion tops, a little bit of spinach, and some carrots. So those are going to be really lovely. I'll just make those up now so you can see them. And that is pretty much me done. So this is a really nice harvest to come back to gardening to. I have been off for a week and a bit. I had a bit of a tumble on my bike, cut my face, and lots of cuts and bruises, and broke a few bones in my face. But I'm looking pretty good now. But you'll have to wait another week probably before I'll actually start making videos again, because I'm just taking it easy right now. So yeah, my name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.